Welcome to TechieShow. So today we are taking a look at a mouse that I just got my hands on. It's an MSI DS B1. It's a gaming mouse, it's a budget one. It doesn't feature any special software or anything, and it's plug and play, but it has some interesting features. For starters, we have 1600 dpi, so it's pretty decent. I don't know how fast FPS games like sniper games will handle that. I don't play those type of games. I'm more of a mobile or MMO guy. Anyway, back to the mouse. It has LED backlight logo, red probably. It has a weight system. The packaging is pretty straightforward, and we're gonna open it up and see how's that weight system. It has 8 by 2.4 grams of weight. So we're about to see how that works on such a cheap mouse. A gaming mouse, pardon. So the packaging is pretty much a pile of crap. But on the back of the mouse we already see, knowing other mice, the weight system. Let's take a look at the buttons first. We have 2 buttons on the side, some LED lighting probably over here. I think this is the DPI switcher, the scroll. The mouse is not too loud, that's pretty cool. And the legs, some tribal stuff going on here. Let's see that weight system and let's open it. Yeah, you can already see the parts inside of the mouse when you open this thing. That doesn't bother me too much, but it was pretty hard to take these things out, and it feels a bit cheap, but that's okay. I mean, we have a weight system at a cheap price, so the weights are indeed, let's take them out, or at least some. They are held on to a rubber pattern with circles, and pretty cool. I mean, if you are really that pretentious that you need a weight system for your mouse, I would have thought you would went for a bigger budget mouse, but maybe some prefer heavy mice for something and lighter mice for something else, another type of game. Anywho, let's put this back in and see if we plug it in. As I said, and as on the box says, it doesn't need any special software, so it should be really straightforward. Just plug and play the mouse and everything should be just dandy. And it is. And we have the Dragon from MSI logo. Pretty cool. Not too shabby, I guess. It looks pretty well made, and the side also lights up pretty nice. Even these cutouts over here and on the other side. And I must say, the first impression is this is not such a cheap mouse unless you play around with the weight system. Then it feels kind of cheap, that weight system, that thingy. But just clicking around feels decent for a pretty cheap mouse. I don't know if I would see this as a professional grade gaming mouse, but it's a great mouse for this price. If you would like to see more products like this or anything else from tech presented by me, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a like and leave a comment below with what are your thoughts about this mouse, what gaming mouse do you use, or what's your favorite one. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.